going to throw a stone.
Okay.
Just hear the sound, how much time it will take.
Hmm.
So you'll get to know how deep.
Is there water in it?
No, no, there is nothing.
No water?
No water, nothing. Because we do have the big tankers behind you. You can see we do have the big tankers and just hear the sound, okay?
Very deep.
Like 200 or 300 depth.
On the road, we saw a lot of
No, no,
mustard
that is different actually. That's not the mustard.
The yellow flower.
Sorry, the yellow one.
Yeah.
That's not the mustard. Mustard is belongs to the.
But our driver said that is mustard.